Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Kesuarkar Jilla ubadeiru nong yalam jong kaseng National People's Party uba coming one imban uloang makipat ba jong khasi ba jantia kidang dan gajing shania ke NPP padudan gajing kermen bakin nang la wan hakabor nakaliang uba imban ulaong bakidan bun kiseng san pertai ka UDP Congress BPP BJP bat kiwei hanai kumbalong menta kipat ba kidang shania ke NPP panlam khmat ya kani Kesuarkar MDA ka baar habag kali halor kaseng VPP nakaliang uba imban ulaong Umbalong menta kipat ba kimpat shania ek VPP. Barhaba kli na ka ega daw bagipat ba kimpat shania ek tiga seng. Nakaliang ba umban ulaong bagipat ba kitip bahay ya daw.
MDC elections in Jaintia?
We already started to prepare this election MDC also.
So what is the prospect of the NPP?
NPP will come back in the Khasi Jaintia sector.
Do you see the entry of the VPP, because VPP will also be participating in the upcoming election? Will this have any impact on
Not only in the VPP, all the parties, not even the UDP, even the so many parties. Every election with UDP, NPP, VPP, and Congress also, and BJP also. I think as of now, I have seen the people of the state, they give the mandate to the NPP. This is the MDA government. I think this time also, NPP will come back in the MC election.
But do you think that the VPP can have some impact on
In Jaintias, I have seen zero, I think. As of now, people didn't accept this VPP.
And the reason for that, ma'am?
The reason, I think you know better than me. I've seen today in your newspaper also, you are against the VPP. All these press people are against the VPP. I think you know better than me regarding that.